Lordship. Here, Lordship made a party. I don't know, Lordship. I have no details.
No, regional school.
Regional, Lordship.
The party.
Hereafter, board made a party. Board is giving the appointment.
No, board is.
West Bengal Board of Secondary Education.
The employee was a primary school teacher.
Yes, madam.
But here, Lordship, the secondary education.
In the primary, there is
Primary, not a
certificate.
primary education, is a secondary education, Lordship. DI is a secondary. School Service Commission appointment has been given to the secondary school.
My lord, the cause of action arises
No,
from the
no.
primary
So,
school. My
either-
lord, I am
No, Lordship, I am
not
telling you, Lordship.
disputing anything. What my learned friend said.
No, no, Lord. Yes, yes.
The West Bengal Board of Secondary
Board, that the
Education as per
secondary
direction
education
of your
party, Lord.
lordship. And my lord, since my lord, it has been sent to the Western region and it has been kept pending before the Western region. That's why I'm making them party. They said that they are not giving any appointment since the Hindi
In
medium.
the primary, this group C and
No.
group D appointment
No,
cannot
my
be given.
No, my lord.
It has
that
to
is
be
not-
done in the
Secondary
section.
Since my lord, it should, my lord, I don't know, my lord, if your lordship doesn't want to take this matter, I am.
It's not a matter of wanting because somebody is raising an objection with that they.
But I am
cannot-
not, Lordship, why on this type of, Lordship, I am not objection,
The
Lordship.
primary school.
I am
The cause of
suggesting.
action arises from there. So it can come under the primary jurisdiction. This is not
Whatever.
the case.
But then the school service commission is not here.
Yes, my lord. The Regional School Service Commission Western Region is there because they are the main party. They will send the appointment letter to the petitioner.
Who
Your
appears
lordship-
for Western region?
Yes, my lord.
That
Your
lordship
lordship kindly
Patro.
come to this.
Patro.
Your
The
lordship kindly come to
notice of
NSF.
Dr.
Lordship.
Patro.
But Lordship, I am giving, Lordship.
I
Here,
think
Lordship.
sir.
But here, Lordship, lots of matter was heard in the primary section, Lordship. Due to the Lordship, release the matter. Due to Lordship, I am not Lordship, say. Here, Lordship, the primary, the working is the primary teacher. Only for the DI, forward the name of the Lordship, to Central School Service Commission. So, Lordship, is a total determination in the secondary education. If the Lordship take the matter, I am Lordship. I am only suggestion before his Lordship. If the
Serve a notice upon Dr. Patro, let him
Yes,
come and see,
With
we
a,
can
with a
see.
copy of the, your lordship kindly.
And
refer
this
this.
also, so that he can take
I may,
instruction.
file
Make a
as an
photo.
supplementary.
here, Lordship, board,
Come,
board
let a
made a party.
notice. None appears on behalf of
ওইটা আমাকে দিন।
the Regional School Service.
Lordship, here, Lordship, Service Commission Advocate is here. Saurav Mitra, Lordship.
May I serve a copy upon Mr. Mitra?
Saurav Mitra is here, Lordship.
Will you take,
Group C compensation.
will you,
Enter appearance on behalf of the West Bengal Regional School Service Commission Western region.
School Service Commission. Yes. Not
Is central.
Central Commission.
Central is not a
Western
party.
region.
Ah,
I
Western.
make it, here and now I make a party to.
So whether central will be an appropriate authority? If you have Western, why will you make central a party?
No, my lord, they can say whether the appointment, Western region has been sent to them, thereafter they will send. the
Thereafter,
same-
board will issue appointment.
I don't know, that can be said by the.
Let him serve.
কাকে করবো?
board is not a party also.
board ke party.
Secondary school though.
হ্যাঁ,
No, primary.
No, no, it
Secondary
started,
হ্যাঁ, ওই তো
he doesn't have any other option.
Yes.
Option is only to secondary.
Then board has.
But then it starts off, it initiates from the primary school because her husband was a primary school teacher,
That is permissible.
right? Thing is, who is going to give instruction to you? Central School
Central School
Service?
Service Commission.
I make them party and all, as your lordship directed, I shall also make a party to the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education here and now, and I shall serve a copy upon the
Please come.
Mrs.
This
Coyle
granted
Bhattacharya
copy.
who used to appear on the.
Who?
শোনো না, আমি কোয়েলকে একটা পার্টি করে একটা কপি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
To the advocate on record of the
দিচ্ছি।
petitioner to
বললাম
impede
তো তোমার।
the Central School Service Commission and the Board of Secondary Education
দিয়ে দেবে order.
as party respondent in the instant writ petition and serve
I-
copy of the writ petition upon the added
Right, right.
respondents. Stop
পাঠিয়ে
paragraph.
দিয়েছি, পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি।
The
হ্যাঁ,
petitioner seeks compassionate appointment
এই পাঠিয়েছে
on the
secondary
death
TI
of her
পাঠিয়েছে,
husband who was a primary school teacher. Stop. Next.
ঠিক আছে।
Learned advocate representing the respondents shall come ready with necessary instruction on the adjourned date. List on 12th of August.
Lord, I serve a copy upon Mr. Saurav Mitra here and now, my lord, kindly
Whatever.
see appear করিস।
তুই দিয়ে দেবে একটা চিঠি।
বা চিঠি করে দেবো তো?
আমার
দে আমি-
24, list on the 9th of August. Service taken on record. Service,
let's-
list on 9th, service taken on record.
Service ready, my
Well-
lord, not confirm, not complete, my lord. Next date I shall submit, my lord, every
All right, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে ওটা বাদ দিয়ে দিন। List on 9th, list on 9th,
24.
25th also list on 9th.
কি বলছেন? এই তো চিঠি, এই তো সার্ভিস করেছি। আমাকে দেখুন না, আমাকে দেখুন না।
24-25 সার্ভিস নেই কিন্তু only one line list on such and such.
The matter pertaining to, my lord, publication of একটু আস্তে আস্তে matter pertaining to, my lord, publication of the additional panel in respect of 2016 recruitment process.
5% additional.
5% additional panel. My short submission is that, my lord, we are waiting, my lord, we are unemployed youth. We are waiting, my lord, 7 to 8 years. In respect of present recruitment process, which was going on 2022, they published the 5% panel. Then why not for 2016?
Listen, this issue is pending in various fora. Last week also or this week order has been passed.
This week last.
This week,
This affidavit direction was,
affidavit direction has been
well,
given.
let them file an affidavit and fix a date for hearing, because, my lord,
Their stand
the right of the,
Their stand is that vacancies that were there has been carried
no,
forward.
no, that is in respect of recruitment process of 2020. Even then, the matter, my lord, the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the recruitment process of 2020, never, my lord, speak about the, my lord, additional 5% additional vacancy. Where, my lord, I am the advocate on record, I know better, because I filed the writ petition in the 2020 recruitment process, but there are
Vacant post. The Honorable Justice Obijit Gangopadhyay has
What about the 16 process?
16%, by law, they said they submitted that panel has already been expired or long back, but that statutory obligation should be fulfilled by the board. And we are the unemployed youth, my lord, at least, my lord, the panel be prepared. The additional panel, what has happened?
Please come. The petitioners.
And another thing, my lord, up to, my lord, 2022, the recruitment are given.
Participated in the recruitment process of primary school teachers in the year 2016. Stuff. They claim publication of the additional panel
5% additional panel.
consisting of the 5% of the candidates who appeared in the examination in terms of rule 85 what? 86 of the West Bengal Primary School.
West Bengal
Where is the name? of
Primary,
the-
West Bengal Primary School Teachers.
West
Recruitment
Bengal
post
Primary
2016.
School
page
Teachers,
19, I have annexed, page 19.
recruitment rules, comma, 2016. ঠিক আছে? Let affidavit in opposition be filed in the matter within a period of last time, what was the time granted?
3 weeks, 2 weeks.
3 weeks, 2 weeks. Liberty to mention upon completion of affidavits.
But a later date be fixed, my lord, because, my lord,
Come,
all
come,
the
we will see.
Obliged, madam. Obliged.
A list on 9th,
9 তারিখে
27.
9 তারিখে 27টা
27 list on 9th. 28.
কি মামলা গো দাদা ট্রান্সফার না না
Yes,
My lord, in this case, what happens, the petitioner was a primary teacher, my lord, retired from service, but his pension has not been given.
if your lordship kindly come to the last but one annexure, matlab this is the reason at page 21. Matlab there is a case pending between the petitioner and his wife. Matlab in a criminal case, petitioner has been acquitted long before, and matlab his suspension and other things has been withdrawn. Thereafter, petitioner joined and matlab retired from service.
When did he
How-
retire?
My lord, retired in the year of, my lord, 30/11 and 2023, month of November, last day of November 2023. My lord, what happens, my lord, with an application from one Mamata Mondol, your lordship kindly come to this hearing report. My lord, may I read?
Page,
Page 21, annexure P7.
yes,
With reference to the above, a hearing has been taken up on such and such in the chamber of the chairman DPSC Purulia in presence of chairman DPSC Purulia, the district inspector of schools PE Purulia, the secretary DPSC Purulia, Somir Mondol, the teacher of Arsa Primary School under Arsa 2 Circle, the sub inspector of Arsa 2 Circle have present in the time of hearing. The application of Mamata Mondol has been placed in the house and read. In the application, it is noted that Mamata Mondol comes to learn that her husband Somir Mondol is scheduled to retire in the month of November 2023. Furthermore, it is apt and appropriate to bring knowledge and notice to the authority that SAT number 26 of 2008 being
yes, I
First
read this. Then what happened?
for this reason, the SI, since there is no nominee, you will not get.
What
Well,
is
there
your
is no-
submission?
There is
Representation, my lord, where is that? Upon
Whatever is prayer, what about his releasing pension? Why is the PPO not being issued?
that I have to take instruction.
Please come.
report.
The petitioner is a retired primary school teacher. Stop. He retired on attaining his age of superannuation in the month of November 2023. Stop. Paragraph. PPO is yet to be issued in his favor. Stop. From the hearing report annexed to the writ petition dated 1st of November 2023 in the office of the chairman, signed by the, not in the, but signed by the chairman cum secretary, DPSC Purulia, it appears that the petitioner is not willing to name any person as his nominee. Stop. Paragraph. The respondent authority cannot force an employee to indicate his nominee if the employee concerned is unwilling to do so. Stop. The same ought not to stand in the way of the respondent authorities to take steps to process the retirement papers of the petitioner
For the purpose of issuance of the PPO. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to come ready with necessary instruction. List the matter on 12th of August.
get
Only for instruction, not for the report.
Let it come. He will file an instruction, written instruction.
Question, if the nominee is not here, lordship, that money has been disbursed, which name? What's the name?
nominee after the death of the person.
Yes.
it's for the family pension.
No, no, he will not take.
It is for the pension.
The teacher is alive.
For future. I think you also done.
9th.
Yes, yes, lords.
I am for the petition, I am seeking the not this week.
Not this
this-
week.
no.
Not this week.
Not-
Did you serve?
It has been served, but date given for moving the matter in the Monday.
আচ্ছা এই মামলাটা সোমবার দিন ডেট ছিল লিস্টে আসার, আজকে এসে গেল কি করে? বলছে
Yes.
Saying short Passover, my lord, Mrs. Sobita
No.
Kudia is happening, my lord. She is
No, Passover, not this week.
My lord. I am appealing the petitioner.
Behalf of state, my lord.
Unmarried daughter, family pension, pending consideration before the authority.
Why?
My lord, Deepanita Ganguly is suffering from high fever, my lord. I am paying for
Only not today. Not today, not this week. Next week, nothing doing. Somebody is ill. Not this week.
I'm for the straight man.
34, my lord, Land Council Mission Nilanjan Bhattacharya is appearing, lordship. He is on his legs before court number 4, lordship. Already a matter is running, lordship.
Not this week.
Lordship, can it be at 2 p.m., lordship?
No. Not this week.
Madam, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
Hello, here my lord. No, my lord. Not that. Here my lord, petitioner. Petitioner was under suspension and there are suspensions are withdrawn.
Who is
As-
their other side?
My lord, I am, so my affidavit of service has been made. My lord, your lordship's passed an order that's page 35, P6. And on the basis of that, a hearing was given. And my lord, resolution taken that the suspension withdrawn as usual. But here my grievance is that I made a representation to the chairman that I have given pay scale matter 2009 rupa, but I am entitled to 2019. That's my grievance. I have made a representation. That representation is still pending.
Please come. The prayer of the petitioner seeking consideration of the representation
That is my last annexure.
for allowing
PA.
salary as per the revised pay under ROPA 2019 is pending consideration at the end of the chairman, Howrah DPSC. Stop paragraph. Without entering into the merit of the said representation, comma, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the chairman, Howrah DPSC, to consider the said representation in accordance with law and to pass a reasoned order thereon. Stop. Next. Steps shall be taken in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. If the petitioner is found entitled to the relief as claimed, comma, then necessary consequential steps shall be taken immediately thereafter. Stop. Next. Notice of hearing given, but no final order passed.
No.
Please come. The petitioner is a minor and the writ
My lord.
petition is being moved through his maternal grandmother. Where is his father?
That's the case, my lord, which I wanted to explain before your lordship, my lord. Petitioner's father and mother were separated, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner's mother remarried, but petitioner was brought or was kept with the petitioner's maternal grandmother and grandfather. Grandfather has nothing to do.
The কি বললাম?
And the mother died. Now, my lord, think about the situation of the petitioner.
The mother of the petitioner was a primary school teacher
Yes.
who expired on
9th March.
9th of March 2023.
Yes.
Stop. The parents of the petitioner are separated. Stop. Prayer was made for grant of family pension.
And other.
Stop. Family pension and other terminal benefits of the deceased teacher. Stop. A hearing was conducted by the
Yes.
District Inspector of Schools, Primary Education, Purva Bardhaman, in the month of November 2023. Stop. The petitioner is yet to know the fate of the said hearing. Bring a report. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to file a report disclosing the fate of the hearing. Stop. List on 13th of August. Stop.
Yes.
Copy of the report shall be served in advance to the learned advocate representing the petitioner.
My lord, may I only pay instead of 13th if it can be 14th, my lord.
14th.
14th of August. Grateful, my lord. My lord, affidavit service be kept with that.
Yes, service is taken on record.
Grateful, my lord. 14th August. Grateful.
May I please, Your Honor, my lord, this is my application. I have served. My lord, this is relating to family pension,
One
of
minute, you are for?
Tanmay Khan is appearing for
I cannot hear you.
Learned advocate Mr. Tanmay Khan is appearing for state. As such, he is suffering from high fever. He could not come to court today. So I'm praying for not today, ma'am.
Not today has been sought. Not this week? Very well.
Petitioner, my lord.
Who is your other side?
Served, my lord. Served.
Served.
I filed this case
Lord, see, I am
for
appealing.
delayed payment.
State is the vital part, Lord, so the state is not appeal, not.
You are for DPSC?
Case Purulia.
It is, I am praying this case, challenging not payment of delayed payment, interest of delayed payment and subsistence allowance for the certain period, my lord. And 50% of gratuity, my lord.
Subsistence allowance. You are under suspension.
He was under suspension, my lord, page. My lord, P5, my lord, P5,
Any payment due to the conviction, Lord.
He has been convicted.
5 years conviction.
Then
After conviction of my lord, there is order of this court, my lord, for payment, my lord. But
payment of what?
retirement benefit, my lord.
Retirement benefit.
And-
Will you be entitled to the after you are convicted in a criminal case?
My lord, it was ordered, my lord, by your
Please
lord,
come.
my lord. Kindly come to the order,
Do
my
one
lord.
thing. 1 minute. Inquire who is for the state, give a notice and come back.
My lord.
I am making it not this week.
My lord.
Followed? Return the affidavit of service, not this week.
That lots of notice has been served, lot with lot.
It is
Yes, he'll serve notice
only to the state.
to the learned advocate representing the state.
My lord.
I am not recording any order.
My lord.
40.
I am for the petitioner, your lordship. Lordship, I can court the answer to state lordship. My lord, I am the widow daughter of Himanta Manna. After demise of Himanta Manna, his wife, Soirabala Manna, enjoyed the pension.
Very well disposed.
Deeply.
Not this week.
43, my lord. I am for the petitioner. This is a overdall, my lord.
Overdraw amount.
Yes, my lord.
Did you serve?
Yes, my lord.
Let me see. Service. How much has been deducted? How much has been deducted?
74,140. My lord, page number 2, page number 3.
3.
Yes, my lord. 7,
1,140.
my lord. By way of treasury chalat, my lord. P.
Please come. The petitioner is a retired primary school teacher. A sum of rupees 74,140 has been recovered from him on account of refund of the overdrawal amount prior to his retirement in the year 2021, in December 2021. Stop paragraph. The petitioner prays for refund of the said amount. Stop paragraph. এর আগের মামলাতে যেটা বললাম না, যেটা টিক মার্ক দিয়ে দিলাম ওখান থেকে, ওই পোর্শনটা কপি হবে, ফিগারটা শুধু চেঞ্জ হবে, 74140 পেজ নাম্বার 11-তে আছে, ঠিক আছে? ডিসপোজড, এই সার্ভিস দিয়েছে, none for the respondents.
Your Lordship, I am led by Mr. Vikram Banerjee. He is appearing
My
virtually.
lord, I appear for the petitioner. My lord, this is a case. My lord, petitioner is a widow. My lord, she is claiming her husband's arrear pension. My lord, her husband retired on 28/2/2010 till 3/9/2014. My lord, when she actually when her husband got her pension, got his pension. My lord, initially, my lord, it is CPF to GPF matter. My lord, he has contributed the government share, but he has got it from the time when he has contributed, my lord.
Very well. I have passed several orders. Show me one.
It is by the Honorable Justice Rajashekar Mantha, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has.
He quoted order dao.
I am passing orders regularly. Give me one
Yes,
of
yes,
such
yes.
copies so that it can be disposed of.
I have
Order ta niye.
WPA number 964 of 2000.
Aare oibhabe dile ki
Lordship, I
kore?
have PDF, Your Lordship. I don't have a
Aare-
hard copy, Your Lordship.
My lord, kindly keep it tomorrow, my lord.
964 of
It's
2022.
it's my mistake. The order ta to niye jabe.
Tomorrow, not today. Come tomorrow with that copy of the order. কোথায় আছে? দেখি। Please find out. Please wait.
ওয়েট করতে বললাম
2022.
Pradeep, let him bring the copy of the order. He doesn't know even the number.
ওইভাবে দিলে হয় নাকি? কিভাবে দিচ্ছে? প্রিন্ট
হ্যাঁ, আমি তো 22 বললাম।
ওই তো হয়ে গেছে বোধহয়।
82 hired on 28 January.
Now the corrections are to be made. Who is going to make the corrections? Not today. Next one, call the next one. 45.
My lord, in this matter, Mrs. Ranjana Guha is appearing for the state. He is not well. Lordship, we kindly keep it next week.
Not this week.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
Not this week.
Monthly list will be published on Monday.
Let it remain, it will be taken up.
Not today, man.
Not this week. 47, not this week. 48, not this week.
47, my lord, I am for the
Not this week.
my lord. It has been, my lord. Petitioner will get everything. My lord. Why they are not?
49,
49, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
yes.
My lord, this is a case of, my lord, family pension of widow daughter, my lord. My lord, I have corrected your lordship.
My lord, I've taken an instruction.
There.
The application was not in form as per the government orders. So they have said that if these are done, there is no embargo in issuing the order, the pension.
Very well, I shall comply, my lord.
If this has been done, they said there will be no bar to proceed with.
Please come. The petitioner is the widow daughter of a deceased primary school teacher. Stop. She claims family pension. Stop. Learned advocate representing the District Inspector of Schools, Primary Education, Purbo Mednipur, has obtained instruction from the said authority, wherefrom it appears that certain documents are required to proceed with the sanction of the family pension case of the petitioner. Stop paragraph. It appears that the details of the documents which are wanting are yet to be intimated to the petitioner. Stop. Let a copy of the instruction forwarded by the DI be handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. It has been done. In that case, apni likhun, copy of the documents, sheshel line ta. Copy of the documents which are required to be filed by the petitioner has been handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner in court today. Stop. The petitioner is directed to act in accordance with the communication, act in accordance with the observations made in the communicating memo number 261-P dated 19th July 2024, issued by the DI of schools within bracket PE Purbo Mednipur. Stop paragraph. The DI is directed to take steps in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of submission of all documents from the petitioner. Disposed.
My lord, only one thing, my lord, your lordship will kindly record. If the petitioner fulfills all the criteria, then the respondent will, my lord, release the family pension, including family.
That is what has been recorded.
Kindly, my lord, record that, my lord. Kindly record. It's just, he's waiting for long, my lord.
Yes, the কি বললাম last time? Instruction take steps in the matter.
But positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of submission of all documents from the petitioner.
If the petitioner is found entitled to the pension as sought for, then
Family
the same
pension.
shall
Family
positively be released. Latest within a period of 16 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
I'm deeply obliged. Well, let this, my lord, memo be kept with the record.
Yes. 50.
50, Amar. Oh. Well, I am for the petitioner.
What?
The affidavit of service.
Widow pension?
No, my lord. This is, my lord, the widow, my lord, arising out of, my lord, conversion from CPF to GPF.
Yes, give. ও ছেলেটা এই অর্ডারটা আনতে পারলো না, কোনো মানে আছে? Are the dates properly given?
Yes.
I'm not checking it. Disposed.
51, my lord, also. Same man.
প্রদীপ, এবার এই কপিগুলো এখানে একটা করে ফরম্যাট রাখতে হবে, যার যেটা কাজে লাগবে সেটাকে কাজে দিতে হবে।
Affidavit of service.
Yes, service.
Affidavit of service.
What is this? Same thing?
Same.
Very well. Order আছে সেটা দেখে করে দেবেন। 52, not this week.
I am for the state.
53, not this week. 54.
54, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
I am for the state.
The chair. What is the matter?
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, the A category scale of pay, my lord. Petitioner retire, my lord, for the only, my lord, revision of, my lord, pension payment order is required. My lord, have already decided the issue, my lord. On 16th July, my lord, identical matter has been disposed of, my lord. Only on that day, my lord, this time.
54.
I have given instruction that he is joined, my lord. That is why he is not entitled to pay, my lord.
Let me see
my
the
lord.
order.
Yeah, I will submit it. Oh, sorry.
রাখুন। Director. DPPG is not a party over here also.
My lord, yes, my lord, they are, my lord, the same mistake, my lord, in one time, my lord.
Acha, DPPG.
Appointed before 2001.
This is from 2006.
Yes, yes, my lord. No, identical matter, my lord. On that day also, my lord, the same matter.
Divided into 2002.
The DI has mentioned that the disbursement is to be done by the DPP, District Primary School Council. Why DPSC?
Yes, my lord, the, my lord,
Chairman 6.
since my lord 2006, my lord, the up to my lord 2020, my lord, the he retired, my lord, 30th June, my lord, 2020, my lord. That's why, my lord, the after my lord fixation, my lord, the
Page 30, my lord, he did a representation, civil representation, it is 30.
Who is for the DPSC?
my lord, this, my lord, this Sumita Sen, my lord, appeared on
Or Birbhum? Where is she?
today, my lord. I have not, my lord.
Please come. Same order হবে এটা আর instruction by the DI Primary Education Birbhum signed on 18th of June 2020 be written with the records. Direction has been passed upon the DI. He will take steps.
Great.
Yes, 55.
Affidavit of service, my lord. This is widow daughter, my lord, family pension arising out of, my lord, the larger
Ye-
being judgment your lordship has considered. Para 18 and para 19 of the larger being.
Where is your representation?
Page 31, my lord.
Same order.
Deeply.
District Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner Lordship. Last occasion Lordship was directed to Mr. Learned for appearing in this matter. Unmarried daughter getting family pension, but instead of date of death, her father, he did not get. But my lord, date of death, her father is 21st January 2022. But my lord, date PPO issued on 28th July 2023. She got 20th July 2023 instead of, my lord, 20.
So you want area family pension?
Yes, lord. 18-month area, lordship.
21st, the
Page, lordship, kindly see annex. Yes.
21st March 24, it was issued, the PPO.
Yes, lordship.
From when are you getting?
Kindly see, lordship,
Oh,
middle
acha,
portion,
acha.
20,
18 January, yes.
20th July 2023.
Must-
Instead of lordship, 21st January 2022. Date of her father, 28th.
1
Next
minute.
page, Lordship will find, my lord.
What?
Next page 19, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
That this to so and so PPO following facts be wrong.
Hmm.
Date of date so and so so and so. Further, there seems to be a name mismatch of the previous family pensioner between the said PPO and the concerned death certificate. Thus, it is an earnest request to kindly look into this issue. This has been issued, my lord, to the director by the Treasury
Yes,
Officer.
lord.
Then what happened? What about the rectification?
Lord, this rectification, my lord, I have sought for.
Please come.
Lordship, and it pass out.
The petitioner is already receiving the family pension. Stop. The date from which the family pension has been sanctioned is alleged to be incorrect. Stop. The same has been, no, not same. The benefit has been given to the petitioner on and from 20th July 2023. Stop. The petitioner states that she is entitled to receive the same on and from the next day of death of her father.
Yes, Lord.
That is
21st January 2022.
from 21st of January 2022. Stop. The father of the petitioner expired on 20th January 2022. ঠিক আছে? Paragraph. It appears that the Treasury Officer Bakura has already communicated about the mismatch of the who is Pollani is your mother?
Mother, Lordship. Mother was employee.
Yes.
Then my lord father was
Achha,
pension, but thereafter my lord daughter, unmarried daughter.
Mismatch of the date of death
Date of death.
of the employee and his widow. Stop. Stop now. And the date of commencement of the enhanced family pension. Stop. The director, DPPG is yet to respond to the same. Stop. Paragraph. In view of the above, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the director, DPPG to rectify the to make necessary corrections in the pension payment order and issue revised PPO after verification of the records at the earliest, but positively within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of the order. Stop. The arrear payment shall be disbursed in favor of the petitioner at the earliest, but positively within a period of 16 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Disposed. 57, 58 and 59, not this week.
I beg to appear.
Which one?
57, ma'am.
Oh, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. My lord, unfortunate teacher, my lord, obtained loan for the marriage of his daughter. For the marriage ceremony of his daughter, my lord, he obtained loan. He did not think that he fell in the trap of the broker in the bank. He obtained loan. Subsequently, what has happened, my lord? It has been informed that one Jodu Singh impersonated himself as headmaster of one Sharda Vidyalaya, though he was teacher in charge of the primary section of Sharda Vidyalaya.
Tell me, what is your prayer?
My lord.
What is your prayer?
Prayer.
Yes.
My lord, I am claiming, my lord, family pension mainly after setting aside the dismissal order.
Dismissal order. Where is the order of dismissal?
Let's say I beg to appear on behalf of the respondent Indian Bank.
Dismissed in the year 2005.
Yes, my lord. But question, my lord, with regard to pension, my lord. The widow, my lord, is claiming some pension so that she
How
can
is the
supply.
pension payable if the teacher
My lord,
was dismissed from service?
but I have come to learn that some notification has been issued by the government.
Show me the
To that
notification.
effect, but I do not have at this time. That with regard to, and if I show you lordship, that the disciplinary proceeding has been done, my lord, in clear violation of the actually service rules. And in a slipshod manner, the disciplinary proceeding has been.
When
and
the teacher was alive, he did not
he could
challenge his
not-
order of
My lord,
dismissal.
due to
And now
financial
the widow
insolvency,
has coming
yes,
forward.
my lord, it was not possible for
How
the
is
teacher.
it possible?
My lord, how is it?
Because
possible, my lord?
the service was
My
related
lord,
to
he
the
could- my lord,
person
if I
concerned.
can prima facie show before your lordship that illegality was committed in course of dismissing the concerned teacher while proceeded with the disciplinary proceeding, my lord, come to the complaint, my lord, first in the loan sanction on 6/8/2001, but manager, my lord, said that the proposal was given to the bank in the middle of August 2001, my lord.
Give one copy to him. Let him take instruction. I see there is an order of dismissal, setting aside the order of dismissal.
No. My lord, my lord, my
But then he said,
suspension order not even challenged.
no, the dismissal order has been set aside.
No, not at all. Not,
It is mentioned
It is
here.
pending in the trial court, my lord. I have to obtain the status of report, my lord. It is pending till date what I
Serial
have
number 8, please come.
informed.
The last 3 line. Death certificate requested the petitioner to submit setting aside. Oh, there is a request to pass. All right. Until date the petitioner, because the order has an. How can it be given?
My lord, kindly come to my lord, the complaint, my lord. I can, if you lordship kindly.
What complaint?
My lord, by the bank manager. Bank manager, my lord, actually bank officials were involved. This person has fallen in the trap of the, my lord, bank officials. My lord, they actually impersonated himself as my lord, loan recovery officer. My lord, kindly come to the complaint, my lord.
Lordship. He did not challenge any order, Lordship.
My lord, it was not possible for a primary school teacher, my lord, in absence of any salary, my lord.
It is not possible for the primary school teacher, and it is possible for the widow to come forward and
My lord, only widow has come, my lord, only to praying for family pension, my lord, and after setting.
Family pension, provided the entitlement is there. Where is the entitlement?
I, my lord, praying before you, lordship, to see the, my lord, records, complaint, my lord, kindly.
Can the writ court go into all these things at this stage?
Kindly, my lord,
I don't
you
think
lordship, kindly allow, my lord, absolutely illegal exercise of power.
When the teacher expired?
Expired, my lord, in the year 2020, my lord.
2020.
My lord, my lord.
And in 2005, please come. The petitioner is the widow of a deceased primary school teacher. Stop. She claims family pension. It appears that the teacher was dismissed from service in the year 2005 and he expired in the year 2020. Stop. So long as the teacher was alive, he did not approach any court praying for setting aside his order of dismissal.
My lord, I can submit a judgment, my lord, of the Honorable Supreme Court that due to financial insolvency, economic hardship, my lord, the person cannot come to
teacher
court.
Has expired in the year 2020. The instant writ petition has been filed in the year 2024 seeking family pension. Stop.
And
no provision permitting grant of family pension to a widow on the dismissal of the employee has been produced before this court. Stop. Paragraph. The court is of the opinion that the prayer sought for by the petitioner cannot be allowed, as the teacher himself never questioned his dismissal and dismissal, comma, not comma, semicolon. Rather, he accepted the same for nearly 15 years
my lord,
after his
dismissal.
dismissal.
Paid the loan amount, my lord. Paid the subsequently, my lord, what has happened, my lord? The matter went to Lok Adalat, my lord. Lok Adalat settled the matter and paid the entire loan amount.
The prayer of the petitioner for grant of family pension cannot be allowed. The petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Obliged, your lordship.
Not today, my lord.
Not this week. Not this week.
Same, man.
I am for the, my lord.
60.
Yes, my lord, 59. 60. I am for the petitioner, my lord. As the affidavit of service, here, my lord, the petitioner.
But Lordship, here Lordship passed the order, I do know, but I am here will also two division bench judgment Lordship. If the Lordship, two division bench judgment say widow is not entitled to the pension Lordship. I am here to judgment.
Your
here, Lordship,
petition,
Lordship
your
permitted.
lordship's view was initially that, but thereafter, my lord, three division bench has passed order considering other all two.
Two Lordship given the pension, two is the Lordship widow is not entitled Lord. Four judgment is there, two division.
Your lordship kindly have a look of the judgment.
The judgment Lordship.
No, but then the division bench,
Yes.
Muktimoi Pal.
Mukti Pal. He's considered all other benches order.
I have
Yes.
judgment Lordship.
What is the date of those judgments?
Lordship.
Earlier judgment.
One is Lordship 16, or one is so all the judgment not set aside by one. Second is
No, no.
20.
No.
but here are two. But my Lordship prayer is this Lordship. My submission has been only recorded. Not nothing to Lord. My submission has been recorded.
What is your submission?
Submission is widow is not entitled to the pension. Lords. As per the two judgment is here, Lords.
Please come.
That Lordship, I am giving judgment, Lords.
The petitioner.
Only submission has been recorded, Lords.
If
the judgment is here,
Widow,
Lordship,
where is the widow coming from? This is Ananta Kumar Roy.
Ananta Kumar Roy, my lord.
Where is the widow?
No, it's not widow, my lord, petitioner.
Then Lordship, how Lordship, I
Phone
believe
number
Lordship,
is-
the widow is come before his Lordship.
Who was the teacher?
And Ananta Kumar Roy himself.
Ananta widow is not come before his Lordship.
আমি বলছি না তো widow is.
He এসছে তাহলে
Petitioner.
petitioner himself is come before his Lordship. Petitioner widow. আমার second matter, my matter, Lord.
পরেরটা আছে।
Second Lordship, I am sorry, Lordship. There is widow, Lordship, second 59 little Lord.
You will make the court go crazy.
আমি puzzled হয়ে
Second
গেছি।
is widow, Lord. তো বলবে তো আমাকে।
I am looking at the name and cannot find the widow.
পরেরটা দে, পরেরটা দে। পরের বিলটা আমাকে দিয়ে দে।
কোথায় এটা? 60.
দিচ্ছি, দিচ্ছি। দাঁড়াও, দাঁড়াও, puzzled হয়ে।
59 not to the picture.
তো আমাদের না ও ওরা তো অন্যজন
Lordship, I am extremely sorry, Lordship. 59 is Lordship was not today.
ওটা not today হয়েছে।
But 59, so Lordship, I am saying the 59 is going on, Lord. So I have with the matter, Lord.
আমার এক্ষুনি 61 মানে I am for the petitioner. This is my lord, widow has come up. Affidavit of service. Now, widow, my lord, wants that the share with interest, with additional interest. If the DI calculates, my lord, I said.
Same order.
I am deeply aware.
CPF to GPF barrier pension, my lord. Husband is the petitioner, my lord. Wife was the assistant teacher.
Are the dates properly given?
Yes, ma'am.
The dates that you have corrected is proper. I'm not going to check up. If any error is there, it will be there and it will not be corrected, I tell you.
Grateful.
Please post.
আমগুলো সব দিয়ে দাও। And I appear for the petitioner.
This matter appearing for the
Yes.
Contempt chairman. Well, he is personally present.
Your mission accomplished.
Well, total payment is cleared.
Payment is cleared?
Total.
My lord, I have been instructed.
Yes.
There is due of 1,26,000 along with interest of 7% per annum from 2004
calculation I have
according to
given.
your lordship's order. Only 1,06,000 has been credited to my bank account. I have not been intimated. Only message is there.
Check up your bank statement.
1,06,000.
1,06,000. According to you, how much is due?
According to your lordship's direction, your lordship kindly sees page 12,
Yes, page 12.
fourth paragraph.
Where the calculation sheet I have also given,
2,50,000.
2,56,000 something.
Yes,
As it appears from the submission made on behalf of both the parties and from the instruction,
73,000 such and such. Hmm.
sum of 73,555 and arrear salary 53,409, totaling 1,26,164. This is due to be paid along with 7% interest. Next page.
Hmm. So some amount is still due.
কত দিয়েছেন স্যার আপনারা?
Petitioner is Shanti Hajra.
Where are the calculation sheet is there? Payment is
Shanti
also there.
Hajra.
কত পেমেন্ট করেছেন?
2,56,000 something.
Has been paid.
Yes.
Check up. Please check up. Please come. Learned advocate representing the alleged contemner submits upon instruction that the payment of the petitioner has been made. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to take instruction. Stop. List on.
Next week, by this time it will be milestone. My lord, may I have a copy?
6th of August to be mentioned.
My lord, may I have a copy of this
Yes.
statement?
Hand over a copy of the statement.
Where personal appearance we, where personal
Copy টা আগে দিন.
Dekhi personal appearance, what was the direction?
Yes, personal appearance there.
Virtually present. Who is present today?
Chairman is
Who is he?
Chairman.
What is his name?
Indrajit Dhar.
Take down his name. He's personally present in court.
My lord, copy of
His personal appearance stands dispensed with for the time being. Please hand over a copy of the calculation to your learned friend. Record an order. Let the calculation be handed over to the learned advocate for the petitioner.
Very fixed on.
Tuesday to be mentioned. Only to take information from the petitioner whether the money has been credited or not.
Lots.
64?
64, my lord, I am for the contempt, na?
Yes.
My lord, I'm for the present Panchayat Pradhan is present. My lord, the earlier Panchayat Pradhan was on the earlier occasion, my lord, he was present. But today he is extremely unwell, my lord, for that reason, my lord, he couldn't come. But the present Panchayat Pradhan is present. My lord, her name is Shokuntala Singh. My lord, we are processing this. My lord, there was a direction upon us to comply. My lord, we are processing this thing. My lord, kindly adjourn this for a little bit of time. My lord, we'll do that.
What was the direction? And why did the contemner did not appear on the last occasion?
No, my lord,
Notice was given.
yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, both of them appeared, my lord. No.
otherwise rule would not have been issued. This court does not issue rule till a notice is served upon the contemner. What happened? What is the direction? To consider the representation and illegal and unauthorized construction was alleged. 2022. Why will punishment not be imposed upon them?
My lord, kindly give us some time, my lord. Kindly give us some time, my lord. We have already issued notice, my lord.
Tell me why this kindness is required to be shown to them.
My lord,
Why will you compel a litigant to approach this court?
but definitely, my lord, what I have gathered from them, my lord, there are some miscommunication in their office. My lord, what they have received and what they have actually read, my lord, there is a gap. My lord, for that reason, my lord,
Who is the contemner? The lady standing behind you? And is she in a position to understand what the court's order says?
my lord, I have make her understand.
You have made her understand. She did not understand it herself.
My lord,
Is there anybody in the panchayat to make her understand?
secretary is there, and my lord, secretary is there.
Secretary is there. When did you assume office?
28 August 2023.
Right? This order was passed in 22.
Malord.
When did you get the knowledge of this order?
When this rule was issued, Malord. When this rule was issued, Malord, what she has stated. Malord, we'll do that, Malord. Kindly give us some time, Malord. Kindly give us some time.
Please come.
Already a notice has been issued to every.
She is
Shakuntala.
Shakuntala Singh. Acha, Shakuntala Singh. The present Pradhan, 8 number Chubka Gram Panchayat, is personally present in court. Stop. Time has been sought for complying the direction passed by the court. Stop paragraph. It appears that the order was passed by the court in the month of August 2022 and till date, the same has not been complied with. Stop paragraph. Let an affidavit of compliance be filed by the present Pradhan on 29th of August. Stop. Copy of the affidavit shall be prepared and served upon the learned advocate for the petitioner well in advance. Stop. Next. The erstwhile Pradhan is directed to file an affidavit explaining why proceedings under the Contempt of Court Act will not be initiated against him for not complying the order passed by the court. List on 29th.
Grateful.
Personal appearance of the present Pradhan stands dispensed with for the time being.
65, my lord, I am for the, my lord, applicant petitioner.
I am for the, my lord, the alleged
They are
container.
trying to comply, my lord's order. They are trying to. Present continue.
Yes, my lord, JCB is not going manually day by day. Even today
That is the present position, my lord. That is the present position.
What? Rooms are there?
It is a building. My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Yes, rooms are there. Still there.
Still there, my lord. They are trying to, my lord, demolish it. They are trying, my lord. That is the present photograph.
Through manually, my lord.
Manually, they are trying.
Till date.
My lord can take the matter next week, my lord.
Very well. Please come.
My lord, the SDO is personally present, my lord, through virtual mode.
Where is the SDO?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, my lord.
Affidavit of compliance filed by the subdivisional officer Baripur, affirmed on 23rd of July 2024, is retained with the records. Stop. It has been submitted that steps are being taken for complying the order passed by the court. Stop. Next. In view of such submission, the contempt application stands adjourned till 29th of August 2024. A further affidavit of compliance shall be filed on the adjourned date. Stop. The subdivisional officer is virtually, he is Chitrodip Sen. Record his name. He is virtually present. Stop. His personal appearance stands dispensed with for the time being.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
That matter. But I am for the petitioner, my lord. But pursuant to my lord's last direction, my lord, the new incumbent who has joined, my lord, I have added his part, my lord, the copy is being served. My lord, I was supposed to file a report, my lord. Please, for how
Has the order been complied?
my lord, kindly see the report.
Let me see.
Well, this is the status as on 31st. But initially, when the writ petition was moved and order was passed as far as 109 employees, but subsequently on scrutiny, it seems that some had already retired. We have taken note of that. My lord, kindly
No, they are taking note of. আমাকে তো বলতে হবে, আপনি তো আমার নামে বলছেন।
কি দেখাচ্ছে বলে, কি বলেছে?
এইটাই দেখা।
এটাই দেখাচ্ছে যে বিঙ্গার বিঙ্গার এটা 671 না? এটা কত থাকলো? 671.
Did the Howrah Municipal Corporation receive this communication on
Yes.
29th of July?
But 100 times we have given this reply.
Lord,
Not only
Same
once, same thing. Now I am placing this, madam. This is the time we have given this reply. These are the times. We have given this reply. We have also submitted them the list also.
Not only that, but my supplementary affidavit, page 87, but pursuant to my lord direction, my lord directed the HMC to send, according to the pro forma, all the details. Page 87 of the supplementary affidavit, but the same pro forma, everything has been submitted to them way back on 16th of October 2023.
This is the last time.
Prior to that, the cabinet has been approved as per the advice given by the learned advocate general. The cabinet has already approved, and without other officials have already got the PPO in respect of the 27 petitioners. In this
those who have retired, they have got.
No.
20.
Obviously,
I am Milord, in the next matter, I am Milord appearing on behalf of the other superannuated members, Milord, who has employees, Milord, who has not got Milord. So, Milord, a learned friend, what is trying to say that Milord, the who are retired Milord has got, it's probably Milord not the correct side. Probably not the correct.
And one thing, may I apprise before your lordship, as per them, after the approval.
Senior Deputy Secretary trying to play with the court.
I have received this yesterday.
You may have received it. But see, on the last occasion also, I clearly remember it was submitted that on repeated occasions documents were forwarded. And he is still.
This submission which the learned friend makes for the Howrah Municipal Corporation, the query which we made on 29th, whether that was.
Yes, exactly.
Absolutely.
That was
Same pro forma.
Well, what I can do, I can only.
My law officer has given me that instruction. If your lordship so desires, we will again give them the.
One thing, may I apprise? The cabinet, the approval of the cabinet is necessary because, as per them, because without approval of the, without approval of the cabinet, rest of employees 20 numbers, they have already got PPO. Now, on 23rd of July, after my lord's last order, one cabinet meeting has been held. But this has not been discussed.
20 numbers have got
23rd of
without
July.
Without cabinet.
23rd of July, prior to your lordship's last order, thereafter, one cabinet meeting was being held. On 23rd July, paper publication was being made in respect of that cabinet meeting. Why my learned friend has not apprised
The report.
Yes.
Forwarded by the Senior Deputy
2024.
Secretary.
My submission is this. If your lordship so desires, I will again submit. No problem.
Urban Development and Municipal Affairs. Signed on 31st of July 2024. Which mentions that some more time will be required to get approval of all required authorities. Paragraph. It appears from the documents placed before this court that the supplementary affidavit,
Yes,
which page?
Supplementary affidavit, page 87. 86 is the forwarding letter, 87 same pro forma. All the details is being
And
sent.
we have submitted.
'86 is the forwarding letter, 87 is the tabular state.
That the documents sought for were already forwarded to the Principal Secretary, UDMA Department in October 2023. Stop. The court fails to understand as to why same documents are repeatedly being directed to be forwarded. Stop. Learned advocate representing the Howrah Municipal Corporation has provided a list from where it appears that the documents were supplied to the department on repeated occasions. Stop paragraph.
And if required, I will again submit, but that may be recorded because it is for my sake, for the corporation.
The court on the court video order dated 11th of July 2024 clearly recorded that if no decision is taken by the cabinet, the court would be constrained to pass order in the absence of the approval of the cabinet.
25 without cabinet.
Stop paragraph. At the time of passing the order, the court took into consideration the report filed by the special secretary, signed on 3rd of July 2023. Stop paragraph.
24. Well,
The
that will be read as 24.
at
Not July
24. 24. Paragraph. It appears that the revised PPO has already been issued in respect of 20 employees of the corporation who stand on the same footing as that of the petitioners.
Yes.
Stop. There is no reason as to why similar benefit, why it is taking so long to allow similar benefit in respect of the present petitioners. Stop. Next. For ends of justice, the contempt application is peremptorily adjourned till 5th of September 2024. Stop. No further prayer for adjournment will be allowed by the court, and necessary order will be passed by the court on the adjourned date.
Great. No. 672. Same.
But only
Next matter, Milord, similar order may be passed. This is in respect of the superannuated, Milord.
It alada.
Same report?
Yes.
Is it the same report?
Yes.
Very well.
Well, I've given.
Milord,
But
the
they didn't
supplementary affidavit, mine is, Milord, page number 92 and 93.
only one thing, my lord, in the last occasion, my appearance has been recorded as advocate for the state
Please correct the appearance.
in the last occasion.
Yes,
In both the
yes.
matters, my lord.
All right. The appearance of the learned advocate for the Howrah Municipal Corporation was wrongly recorded in respect of the state respondents. Let it be corrected. Yes, please. Yes.
Great.
The next matter may be in the upgraded portion.
Which one?
These two matters in next occasion, my lord.
It is fairly at the top.
Next occasion again,
No, it will be there.
grateful.
In this matter, I appear on behalf of the petition. So, my lord, this order passed on, my lord, 25th of July 2022. Hearing was conducted on, my lord, by the authority concerned, my lord, on 31st of, my lord, January 2023. Regarding, my lord, the unauthorized construction, my representative.
There is a rule issued.
Yes, personally, my lord, present, my lord.
Who is personally present?
My lord, new Pradhan and my lord, secretary of the town. Contempt number
New
1
Pradhan, what is his name?
My lord, the Rahul Sardar.
is the new Pradhan and my lord,
Rahul Sardar and
secretary is the my lord.
Ardhendu Shekhar Ghosh.
Yes, my lord.
Present.
Yes, my
What about Yusuf Ali Haldar?
lord.
So, my
Do not know.
my lord, this the hearing was conducted, Yusuf Ali, in presence of Ardhendu, my lord, Ghosh. Now, after issuing the rule, my lord, my client was my lord, directed by the my lord, the Pradhan, present Pradhan, to appear before him. So, my lord, he appeared on 22nd July. Now, since the hearing was conducted, all the side, my lord, appeared before the my lord, the Pradhan on 31st, 5th of February 2023. Now, the secretary, my lord, threatened to my client, why you have made me by name, party. So that's why they fixed another date on 29. So, my lord, I appear before, since one hearing has already been conducted, I can appear, but third perception, that must be, my lord, ensure me the petitioner. Because of that, this is the secretary, which is the secretary, the contempt number 1. So, for my instruction is this.
Who, where is the secretary? Where is the secretary?
My lord, secretary,
Or he's giving out threats?
my lord, he is alleging, my lord, but.
He is alleging?
Ask him, my lord, what happened, my lord, unauthorized construction, my lord, Pradhan have to, my lord, pass order. My lord, secretary has, my lord, no role to unauthorized construction, my lord, order. But earlier Pradhan, my lord, conducted hearing, but he does not pass any order. My lord, after receiving, my lord, notice, my lord, this Pradhan, my lord, asking them to send notice.
And as he has been
to pass the
elected as party, he'll give out threats to the litigants.
order.
There was a direction,
What?
secretary.
I don't know, my lord.
You do not know?
He is, my lord, denying me. My lord, he called them, my lord, to
I can make out from his face that he is lying before the court.
to comply the your lordship order, my lord. They have served notice to come the Gram Panchayat 29 July. This new Pradhan. So my lord, that day, my lord, they decide the, my lord, pass the order, but my lord, nobody will come, my lord. Only see, my lord, notice.
Because state.
Or if, my lord, expert
But
order
video-
they can also
But
pass, but
your CCTV video,
if, my lord, both
it is wrong by the petitioner, your lordship can pass consequence order against the petitioner.
of the, my lord,
My lord, this
party, my lord, decision will be taken. by the
CCTV footage is there.
CCTV footage of where, which place? Panchayat.
Yes.
And the secretary was present.
Yes, my lord, he himself, my lord, said, why you have made a party by name?
And you think that he's going to preserve the CCTV footages?
I don't know, my lord, he said, every, my lord, in the South Chobis Pargana, no, not working.
Yes,
CCTV is-
obvious it will not work.
So now there may be, but there was a direction upon the secretary as well as the Pradhan. Lordship, kindly come to page 20.
Yeah. Yes.
So not the, I am not made a party in so modo in the secretaries. There is the direction. Lordship, because of the secretary is the custodian of the document.
Was any site inspection made?
Nothing. No, nothing. Only hearing conducted. I appear, submitted a written notes of argument in presence of the.
What?
Lord, your lordship passed the order, my lord, kindly see, my lord, without going into the, my lord,
Yes.
document.
The court will certainly not go into the merit.
Yes.
It is for you to find out whether there is any unauthorized construction or not. How will you find out? Only by giving a hearing.
If, my lord, both sides, my lord, is present, my lord, asking them to whether any plan has been passed earlier or not. That
Yes.
new Pradhan has
What does the records of
Nobody
the department say?
nobody will come, my lord.
Listen,
But
did you
if
find out from your records whether plan has been sanctioned or not?
Then, my lord, pass the order, my lord, absence of the either of the parties you have passed.
Listen, don't try to act smart. Did you check up from your records whether the plan has been sanctioned?
Reports is the, my lord, Gram Panchayat, my lord, new Pradhan has not.
New Pradhan doesn't know anything.
Lord,
Why is he acting as a Pradhan?
Yes, my lord. Well, one week, my lord, time, my lord, comply your lordship order.
Very well. For 1 week, let them stay in custody and thereafter they'll comply the court's order.
But it is, my lord, duty, my lord, them comply your lordship order. My lord, they pray, my lord, unconditional, my lord, apology to not comply. My lord, they are trying level based, my lord.
They're
to
trying
ask-
level based.
my lord,
What type of level based they are trying?
29 July, my lord, they have asked to come, my lord, nobody will come. So, my lord,
You will go and threaten them and they'll go there for for hearing.
that, my lord, alleging.
This is what you expect?
This is alleging, my lord, he has, my lord, denied.
Inquire from them whether they checked up their records. Please inquire. Please inquire from them.
My lord, they showed that, my lord, there is no plan.
There is no plan. If your records does not show any plan, what will you get from the hearing? You want to find out something else.
As their, my lord, presence, my lord, the statement, my lord, what they are going.
Immediately from your records, you get to know there is no plan. And still then you are not complying the court's order, which was passed in July 2022.
Earlier ex-Pradhan was there, my lord, that.
What was the secretary doing? Since when is he working as the secretary? Inquire. Please inquire just now.
My lord, he, my lord, told the earlier ex-Pradhan, my lord, several times, my lord.
Very well. Now both will go to jail. Ashunta, please come.
Kindly, my lord.
More than 2 years have elapsed. But the order passed by the court is yet to be complied. Stop. The allegation was of unauthorized construction. The secretary of the Gram Panchayat, who is personally present in court, admits that no plan was sanctioned for raising the subject construction. Stop. Despite such admission, the representation filed by the petitioner praying for taking steps against the unauthorized construction has not been responded, despite order passed by the court. Stop. The action of the contemners appeared to be absolutely in violation of the direction passed by the court. Stop. The contemners are directed to file affidavit explaining as to why proceedings under the Contempt of Court Act will not be initiated against them. Stop. Next. An affidavit of compliance shall be filed by the Secretary and the present Pradhan on 29th August 2024 with an advance copy to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. The all the three contemners are directed to remain personally present in court on 29th of August.
Oh, contempt number 2 is not representing.
Which police station will it be?
Mandir Bajar.
Nondigram.
Mandir Bajar.
Mandir Bajar. The officer in charge, Mandir Bajar police station, is directed to ensure the presence of the contempt number 2, put down his details, name, before this court on 29th of August.
Or a personal appearance. Personal appearance dispense.
For the day. It is only for the day. Next week, next day when it will be taken up, they'll remain present. I could have directed them to come here personally every day.
And for the petitioner,
yes,
petitioner was deprived of her house rent allowance on the ground that the husband is also government servant getting HRA, but they were separately posted. So, your lordship directed the authorities to take a decision on the representation as per the circulars. Because circular is there that she will get it. That has not been complied with.
Still now?
No, my lord, I just cut short the matter. My lord, now that the alleged contemner had retired from service years back. Now the present contemner for technical, the deputy secretary who was directed to take a decision has to be made a party. This is fast. Now, my lord, the after in compliance with the order, my lord, of your lordship, my lord, the compliance, the decision has been taken by the present deputy secretary who is not a party to this petition. For technical reason, let his name be recorded in the petition. And my lord, the lordship kindly sees the decision. But here it is, my lord, not only the decision, but decision has been implemented. And an amount has also been released. So the not only the decision, but also the amount payable towards $1,000 has already been released.
So your claim has been accepted.
Also, decision is taken.
Please give a copy to him.
They got a copy.
What is the name of the current deputy secretary?
My lord, Kuntal Basu.
Acha.
I think that name should be
please come
incorporated.
The erstwhile deputy secretary, Department of Higher Education, has since retired from service. Stop. Leave granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead the present deputy secretary, Higher Education Department as contemptor respondent in the instant contempt application. Stop. Paragraph. Learned senior counsel representing the alleged contemptor submits a communication dated 30th of July 2024 addressed by the deputy secretary to the director of public instruction. Stop. Next. Let a copy of the same be handed over to the learned advocate representing
I have
the
already handed
petitioner.
over.
Acha, tale let ta tule din. A copy of the same has been handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner for taking instruction. List on
My lord, there are
8th of
only one
August.
thing, my lord, this may be
Next.
disposed of, I think. It can be disposed of.
Next Thursday, take instruction and come back and implead.
In the meantime, I'll implement.
My lord, I can,
Kuntal
based on record the order.
to be mentioned. Let it appear as to be mentioned. Take instruction. If it is
Fine.
complied, then we can dispose it off.
This may be, my lord, kept on the record, my lord. This is the implementation of the decision. The
All right.
amount has been released.
All right.
So it can be disposed of today itself.
সেটাকে একটু রেখে দেবেন।
I have not received the instruction from
As
my
to be
client.
mentioned. As to be mentioned.
You নিশ্চয়ই পেয়ে গেছে। Diploma.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. The lead petitioner was a primary school teacher, my lord. The petition is regarding the
First
our
time.
releasing,
No,
releasing of her salary and pension. And my lord, in the meantime, during the pendency of the writ petition on 21st August 2022, my lord, the writ petition died. Now, my lord,
Who has come forward?
two sister, my lord, two sister and one brother has come forward, my lord.
Did you
Two
serve?
sister.
Did you
Yes, yes, my lord. I have served them, my lord. Affidavit of service is here, my lord. একটা কপি দাঁড়া একটা কপি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি সার্ভিস করেছে
না না বলেছে যখন
Please come. An application for substitution of the deceased writ petitioner has been filed. Stop. What was the benefit that the
only, my lord, 3 years salary has not been given before her death. And my lord, if pension and gratuity, pension is not there, gratuity is and provident fund, that would be, my lord, required.
Where are the usual paragraphs that are required to be mentioned in the application?
My
for
lord, my lord,
substitution?
they are because of
my lord,
some reasons.
No, no,
Lord,
not
I
reason.
have
My lord, kindly see
all
para
the
2.
instructions with regard to this matter, my lord. There are serious allegations against the deceased petitioners. Disciplinary proceedings terminated to charge.
No, that goes to the merits, but then
Show me, my lord,
the,
kindly paragraph 2, my lord. She died
paragraph
intestate, my lord. I have stated, my lord. During the pendency of the writ petition, Shukla Chakra died intestate on.
but then the cause of action can be carried forward by the
Lord.
petitioners. That paragraph is not here.
But
My
he
lord.
died in 2022.
Yes, my lord.
And my lord, this application filed in June 2024.
My lord, I have given the reason, my lord. The erstwhile advocate was not giving the change. I have requested personally to him.
Has been abated, my lord.
What abated? Against the government, her fundamental right abated.
They are the heirs. What is the relationship?
Relationship, my lord, I have stated, my lord. Relationship is a brother,
Sisters and one
brother and the 2 spinster, my lord, sister.
the original Shukla Chakra.
My lord, I have given all the certificates. My lord, come to the paragraph 6, lordship.
Paragraph 6 is nothing.
No,
The paragraph number
my lord,
4.
4. My lord, actually there were 4 sisters and 1 brother in the family. My lord, 2 sisters died, Shipra, my lord, and Shukla is the petitioner died, and Taposh, Uma, and Rama is before your lordship. They are the, my lord, the brother and 2 sisters. 2 sisters are unmarried, my lord. And my
Where
lord,
have you given all these details?
lordship,
The petitioner was
thereafter,
unmarried.
well, thereafter, my lord, the father of the applicants died in 78. Mother died in 2007, my lord.
Where is the death certificate of the
My lord, death
father and the mother?
My lord, death certificate of father mother is not there.
Then
But my lord, kindly come to Annexure A, lordship. Annexure A, death certificate of the petitioner, and thereafter, my lord, B. Annexure B, my lord, all particular. My lord, B, all
your application is defective.
my lord, I will file the supplementary then, my lord.
Supplementary.
In support of that, what your
Supplementary
lordship is
application.
asking the relations of them, my lord.
The law requires that you put in the relations. Otherwise, how will the substitution be allowed?
I have, my lord, kindly see, my lord. Although not, my lord, in
Death
such a way,
certificate is not there.
See, this is the Pradhan's.
my lord, it is not.
Patro.
It is all not in such a, my lord, special. But paragraph 4, my lord,
No, no,
brother
no,
and
paragraph
sisters are stated, my lord.
Shukla Chakraborty.
Yes, Shukla.
Shangshapatra deya jay.
No,
Let me come with a supplementary, my lord.
page 8. It is not paginated. However, the next page, Immediately after the affidavit page,
Yes, my lord.
there is a death certificate.
That is, it is the death certificate, my lord. রামচন্দ্রপুর বাসিন্দা নিজ গৃহে মারা যান।
No. You see, a regular death certificate is there. Immediately.
My copy is also, my copy is also.
My copy.
It is there only, my lord. My clerk has failed to. My lord, may I come with a supplementary? What your lordship observed, that
Please
the
come.
cause of action and
Hold on,
relation.
matter, application for substitution. On a perusal of the said application, it appears that the vital statements regarding the heirs of the deceased are not mentioned. Stop. Paragraph, the application appears to be a defective one. Paragraph, the application has been filed long after the death of the writ petitioner. Stop. Paragraph, learned advocate for the petitioner seeks leave to file a supplementary affidavit in support of the claim of the petitioner, claim of the applicants to proceed with the writ petition.
Lordship.
Stop. Leave sought for is allowed. A supplementary affidavit may be filed by when? 13th of August. List on 22nd of August.
Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, restoration application, my lord, dismissed on 9/2/2023. It's a transfer matter, restoration application.
And the reason for non-appearance?
My lord, reasons for non-appearance, my lord, the learned advocate missed the list, my lord.
Missed the list. 9th of February 23 and 22nd of March. Please come. Who is your other side? Did you serve? State was present on the day of dismissal.
Yes, my lord, I have.
Then, where is the service?
My lord, this is the service of the writ petition.
What about the restoration application?
The service is not with me.
Then please serve and come. The petitioner prays for recalling the order dated 9th February 2023, dismissing the writ petition for default. Stop. It appears that the learned advocates representing the state respondents were present on the day the writ petition stood dismissed. Stop. Let copy of the application be served upon the learned advocate representing the respondents. List on 8th, next Thursday.
Seventy-two.
72.
72. 72, your ladyship, this is that matter where your ladyship imposed cost upon me. I am the alleged contender. I have already complied with your ladyship's order, including the costs part. I have served a copy of the affidavit in advance. This is the affidavit of service. At page 12, your ladyship will find the cost being deposited.
Page 12.
12 of my compliance. Petitioner is not appearing.
Did you serve this upon the petitioner?
Yes, I have submitted my affidavit of service as well. Last week I have served. Service to the receiving agent.
What was the direction to be complied?
The direction was of a 2021 order. In your ladyship, the petitioner had complained that on a water body there is an unauthorized construction. Subsequently,
It was found that it was a water body.
It is a water body.
It is a water
It is
body.
still a water body, and we had
Construction
also,
has been demolished.
there is no construction on the water body. There is a picture also.
Which
Also, my lord,
page?
this is page number 20. Its pictures start from page number 27. It's still a water body, and page number 26 is very important because your ladyship, we had appointed one surveyor, and he has this is 1490. It has been marked the petitioner and the respondents are joint owners of this water body.
1490.
1490. There is an arrow 1490, and it has been magnified and divided.
14. Is it 9 or 8? I cannot read. At the corner?
At the
extreme corner,
This is
yes.
1490 and this is the magnified version of 149.
All right.
And the petitioner, Prananath Mondal
Hmm.
and Nadugopal Mondal, the respondent, they are joint owners of this building.
All right.
So there is some civil dispute between them. There is no construction on the water body, but the land opposite to the water body, there are two shops of the petitioner.
Sorry, my lord. Lord, now it's about 150. I was
All
otherwise-
four
Lord, I just now have come to learn that 72 being taken up. I'm extremely sorry. Lord, here is the affidavit of kindly. Now 72 running.
Tell me, has the order been complied?
Lord.
Again, I have served notices twice for hearing as per your ladyship's order. He did not apply.
But kindly come to paragraph 9
Of
the affidavit of compliance, which was served a few days back. Paragraph 9.
Yes.
Paragraph 9, just last 3 lines. There are shops at the side of the road in front of the whatsoever. No, the permission of which has not been obtained from the panchayat.
Both of them have shop. Petitioner also has shop.
All
respondent
such
also.
observations has been recorded in the net, etc. Moreover, kindly come to paragraph 10. 10, second line. By me, there has been no deliberate attempt on my part to violate them. My lord, on the last occasion, contemptor was the learned advocate for the contemptor was directed to inquire as to whether permission has been obtained from the Panchayat authority or any step taken for conversion of the said land. Already two things, but no permission has been obtained, etc. It is admitted. Now it is up to the honorable court to decide whether the order.
Our allegation was that construction was there over a water body.
Yes.
Right? The authority says that there is no construction over the water body. By the side, there are shop rooms.
Opposite side of the road.
Opposite side. But then there is no construction over the water body as you alleged.
Of both the petitioner and respondent.
The land on which the construction has been made, that is classified as Doba.
Where is the construction?
That is why the other
One
side
minute.
was directed.
1 minute. Is
as
it
to whether
The ladyship kindly takes up the main contempt application, page 5.
No, tell me what is your submission with regard to
This is pertaining to plot number 1490. 1490 is a water body.
Yes.
There is no construction on the water body. That is why instruction, my lord, that we have also
where the construction has been made, is that recorded as a water body?
that because the petitioner complains of 1490 in the contempt application.
And so you will tie your eyes and you will not see whether the next land is also
No, the
recorded
next
as a
land,
water body or
on the
not.
opposite side of the road, there are two shops of petitioner and respondent. That has also been marked in the land survey's report. So
Page
that is the
31, you have annexed a photograph.
photograph, like they are all present together.
I can see water as well as some construction. Page 31.
Page 31.
I have the privilege of having a colored copy of the photograph.
That would my.
You can see the water over here.
Yes.
The left hand side portion is the water,
Yep.
and the right hand side a construction is there.
This, my lord, may I take instructions and come back? This pertaining to this part.
Yes.
I'll take instructions.
Whether this is over the water body or not.
I'll take instructions.
It's on stilts.
It's at this side, that tea shops and all that happen.
Yes. But if it is on the water body,
That is to be demolished.
it has to be removed.
Because there is no permission obtained, both by the petitioner and the respondent.
And these constructions are by the petitioners.
Petitioner both have shops. Both of them have shops.
allegation has been made against the other side, who has made the illegal and unauthorized construction.
Very well. You have also made unauthorized
be that-
construction and they will go into.
Yes, my lord. If that be so, my client is also.
Please come.
Will have to get ready to face the
Order,
consequences.
my lord, is otherwise we have come.
Affidavit of compliance filed in court is taken on record. Stop. Learned advocate representing the contemptor shall take specific instruction as to whether any construction has been made over the water body. Stop paragraph. Paragraph 9 of the affidavit of compliance speaks of shop rooms being constructed by the side of the road in front of the water body. Stop. Whether the said shop rooms No, water body, without any permission from the Gram Panchayat. Stop paragraph. Instruction shall be obtained as to whether those constructions have been made over water body or not. Next Thursday,
Next Thursday, 1 week.
I have got no difficulty.
8th.
Do I require to file an affidavit in pertinent?
8th. Take written instruction so as to save yourself.
Grateful.
Grateful to you.
I'm grateful. Your Worship, the affidavit of service may also.
Yes, affidavit of service is taken on record.
Lovely.
73, I am appealing for the petitioner.
I am for the contempt.
My lord, in earlier occasion, my learned friend filed my lord report. I am filing my exception. And my lord, video service.
Already complied the court's order, no?
My lord, no compliance. If your lordship kindly see the page 20 of my learned friend's report. Page 20 of my learned friend's report that was filed in earlier occasion. My lord, they detected that the unauthorized construction is there. If your lordship kindly say the serial number 567, that is approved building plan by Panchayat floor 570 square feet, actual building built up area 632 square feet, which is not less than two-thirds of the total land
Very
area.
well. What is the follow-up steps taken in response to page 20?
That was not taken till date.
Already complied the court's order, there inspection was made. Thereafter, there is unauthorized construction made and the entire matter proceeded sent to SDO.
And that is the end of the matter.
And in the middle of that, SDO, whatever is which I do not know.
Did you forward this to the SDO?
Well, 23(6), they have the power. Authority has enough power to demolish the unauthorized
I made an inquiry. After the inquiry, all necessary papers, direction.
Please come. From the documents annexed to the affidavit of compliance, it appears that the Gram Panchayat detected unauthorized construction. Stop.
But in my exception, I annex the photograph. The construction of the unauthorized building, page 9.
Do you have page 20 of your compliance report?
Yes, page 20 is compliance report, Lordship.
Right. This is a letter addressed to the subdivisional officer. Show me the receipt of this letter.
There is no receipt that by BST post, there is no receipt. That by BST post is sent to the SDO, Lordship.
Show me. Why will the court accept your version as sacrosanct? Where is the
24th June 24th June, I have sent the list up. The till today, Lord, I think that the SDO will take in action.
Will you please show me that you have actually forwarded to the SDO?
Give me some time, so I will receive that later.
So each and every day the matter will go on. This time I will impose cost. It's impossible.
Lordship, that what happened, Lordship, already complies the direct of the SDO. Direct of the SDO to comply the court's order. I have already sent it.
Either you are trying not to understand what the court is saying.
Understand? That is a
receipt. You can understand?
Yes, SDO a receipt or not. That is my not.
Then লিখুন তো কি বললাম detected unauthorized construction ঠিক তো a document is annexed to the affidavit of compliance where a communication is alleged to be made to the subdivisional officer intimating the unauthorized construction. Stop. There is no proof of service of the said communication upon the subdivisional officer. Stop. Paragraph. According to the provisions of law, the subdivisional officer is required to take steps in response to the documents forwarded by the Gram Panchayat. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the Gram Panchayat is contemner korun, not the Panchayat. The Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat is directed to produce the receipt of page 20 of the affidavit of compliance. List on 8th, next Thursday. Acha, exception of the petitioner be written with the records.
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion.
Has the order been complied?
No, my lord.
Who is the contemptor?
My lord, contemptor is the chairman, Murshidabad municipality. And my lord, on last.
Did you serve?
Yes,
Is
my
it
lord.
for the first time?
My affidavit service, my lord, here. My lord.
Rule issue হয়েছে?
My lord, on 18 January, my lord directed the concerned municipality.
Do one thing. You serve notice upon Mr. Shubroto Ghosh, right? Ligunto none appears on behalf of the contemptors. Let a notice be served upon Mr. Shubroto Ghosh, learned advocate, who represented.
My lord, in item number 62, my lord.
Mr. Ghosh was there.
Mr. Ghosh was there, and my lord had directed personal appearance of the contemptors, my lord.
Yes.
And after such directions, some payments were made, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, if he was there, my lord, I had a talk with him, but I don't know where he had gone right now. My lord.
There he is.
Okay. Mr. Ghosh is here.
Yes, I was looking for you.
Sorry.
The calculation sheet which you handed over in the last matter, has the petitioner's name been also included in that sheet? Please check up. Subhash Thor.
He has been paid 2 lakhs and 1 lakh.
2 plus 1, 3?
On 13th June 2024. And
please forward the details to your learned friend so that he gets to know.
Rest will be paid. Gradually, rest will be paid. Because the municipality's total earnings per year is 1.5 crore. And expenditure towards this, towards salary to the present incumbents, then the pension, etc. 6 crores per year. This is
whatever, nothing can be done. You have.
My lord, I have no clue, my lord. Let that be.
লিখুন তো যে learned advocate representing the contemptor submits upon instruction that payment has been made to the petitioner. Stop. Let the details of the payment made be intimated to the learned advocate representing the petitioner for taking instruction. List on 8th of August. Next Friday, next Thursday, I'm keeping it as to be mentioned. Please give the details and you take instruction.
My lord, similar orders may be passed in item number 95 to 99 also. My lord, same contemptor, same municipality, and the advocate on record for my learned friend is there, my lord.
I think no rule was issued in these matters.
You want the rule to be issued?
No,
you don't?
I have just.
Very well. 74, which one you said?
95, my lord. Next, 95 to 99.
Achha, 95 to 99, same order and same appearances.
My lord, may I submit the affidavit?
Please give. They'll put it.
Huh?
Give all 4 together.
No, okay, 95 to 99. Eight. Huh? Next.
Last occasion, your lordship was pleased to direct to serve copy upon the alleged contemptor. I have served, my lord.
No,
My lord's order has page 14 of the contempt petition. Operative portion is page 15.
Anybody appearing for the contemptor in item number 1, circuit bench matter? No?
My lord, is it item number 2, my lord?
It's item number 1. Rukhsana Parveen. Who is the contemner?
Director of Madrasa Education.
Director of Madrasa Education. Director of Madrasa will be from here. Show me the order of the court.
No, page 14 is start for page 14. Operative portion is page 15, my lord. In view of the above, the respondent number 2 is directed to revisit the issue of the approval of the petitioner on the basis of the documents and the relevant government orders, memoranda, circulars governing to the file. An opportunity of hearing be given to the petitioner, the institution on question, and any other interested party prior to arriving at the final decision in the matter. The respondent, the reason order shall be passed by the aforesaid respondent positively within a period of 12 weeks. My lord, order dated 6th of March 2023.
Please come. None appears on behalf of the contemner. Despite service, stop. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Stop. Let contempt rule be issued. Returnable on 5th September 2024. The contemner shall remain virtually present on the adjourned date. Item 2.
Item 2, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Number 2A.
My lord, my sole contention was that, my lord, the land which was proposed to be exchanged, my lord, on the earlier occasion, we have contended that, my lord, the plot of land, my lord, the classification has yet not been converted. It is still, my lord, as a, my lord, public way. And, my lord, we have been served, my lord, later by the contemner, my lord, that until and unless, my lord, the exchange deed is executed, my lord, the classification cannot be changed. Still, my lord, as a public way. So, my lord, a public way, my lord, by virtue of the WBLR Act, my lord, cannot be, my lord, transferred. It is a public way. And in Bengali, my lord, POT. It is still classified in the government record of right as a POT.
Did you contact with the BDO?
Yes, my lord. On several times, letter has been, my lord, exchanged immediately after.
My lord, if your lordship kindly the latest development, he is not at all cooperating with the BDO. BDO has been directed, my lord, to oversee the situation. That actually, if any guilt, that is in the respect of the Pradhan. My lord, there was unwritten settlement of change of land. Thereafter, my lord, at the instance of the BDO, it has been taken place, and my lord, BDO has taken the permission from the government that the land will be exchanged, and everything has been taken. He was requested to several times come and sign the deed.
Who was requested? The petitioner?
The petitioner.
Why is your client
my
not
lord,
going there to sign the deed?
My lord, until and unless, my lord, the classification of the land which is proposed to be exchanged is, my lord, converted from POT to, my lord, any other classification. How the land is, my lord,
The government office, they will
is liable to be exchanged, my lord. It is a public way, my lord. It is a, in Bengali POT. It is still classified in the government record of right as a POT. It's a
Very
public
well.
way, my lord.
I am dismissing the contempt application. You
Lordship.
take steps before the competent forum to adjudicate your
My lord,
grievances.
my entire grievance then, my lord, will be, my lord, unaddressed, my lord. My lord,
Because you are not cooperating.
My lord, I am cooperating, my lord, immediately after passing your lordship earlier order, my lord, previous order. I have sent my lord, several letters, my lord. And physically, my lord, I have, my lord, appeared before the contemptor BDO with
The
pertaining to
BDO
my
requested you to sign certain documents, the deed especially. If you do not sign,
my
how
lord,
can they proceed?
my lord, the deed is, my lord, that exchange deed. My lord, until and unless, my lord, the conversion of the classification of the land is changed. How the land is, my lord, supposed to be transferred? It is still as a, my lord, public way.
Classification.
How a public way could be transferred?
Listen, try to understand.
Lordship.
The public way is no longer used as a public way. It has changed. Isn't it? And that is the reason you want this exchange to take place. It is only after you sign the document, they will make the necessary changes. The contempt application can be left pending. But if you not cooperate, then I'll dismiss it.
My lord, I will explain my every cooperation, my lord. Let the contempt application be kept pending, my lord, and in the meantime, my lord, I will, my lord, execute the deed, my lord, and I will extend my every cooperation to the contempt.
Please come. Learned advocate representing the alleged contemner submits upon instruction that the petitioner is absolutely not cooperating with the block development officer. Stop. Despite repeated requests, the petitioner denied to sign the exchange deed. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner undertakes before the court that his client will cooperate with the block development officer. Stop. Next. In view of the above submission, the contempt application stands adjourned till 5th of September 2024. Stop. An updated report shall be filed by the contender on the adjourned date.
My lord, only one indulgence, my lord. My lord, kindly add a line, my lord, that if the exchange deed is executed, my lord, they will be, my lord, initiate the process of conversion of the proposed plan. My lord, kindly add it, my lord.
Please call the next matter.
My lord, my lord, I am for the respondent.
Lordship,
I'm good.
in regards to item number 3, Lordship,
Yes.
I am appearing for the petitioner. I have heard that a stay order is passed by the Honorable Division Bench presiding by Justice Bhattacharya and Honorable Justice Prosenjit Vishwas on last 30th.
Yes.
In respect of the judgment passed by your Lordship.
All right.
Till 30th September.
Let please.
It was passed on 30th July.
Learned advocate representing the parties submit that the order from which the contempt application arises has been stayed by the Honorable Division Bench. Stop. In view of the above, let the contempt application be delisted for the time being. Stop. Liberty to mention upon conclusion of the appeal.
Deeply of that.
May I please the Lordship?
For?
But I'm for the petitioner.
Yes.
But this is the first time this application is coming. But this is with respect to, my lord, my prayer for, my lord, choosing of option of ROPA 2019. So, my lord, the date, there was some anomaly with respect to the date. The respondent, my lord, came up and with a file a report, where, my lord, they said that they rejected my claim.
All right.
So, what my lord's rejection was so that they gives me the copy of rejection so that I can at least challenge in the appropriate forum. But even
Alipurduar.
Yes, even in spite of
very well. Serve notice.
I'll do that.
Returnable on 5th of September.
As your lordship. Great. But next matter is also first time. Very well.
Same day returnable?
Yes, ma'am.
Serve notice.
Great. May I take it?
Lordship, I am for the alleged contemner, Lordship. An appeal was preferred, Lordship, which is pending before court number 26 right now, before Justice Devanshu Basha. The interim order expired yesterday, we had mentioned, but my lord was it was his pleasure to say that the matter will be taken up today, running as item number 40 in his list today. So as such, he said you come back tomorrow in that position, Lordship. Interim order expired just yesterday, so that's the position.
And for the petitioner, my lord.
What is your submission?
My lord.
What is your submission?
Lord, the appeal is pending, my lord.
Learned advocate appearing on behalf of both the parties submits that an appeal has been preferred from the order passed by this bench, and the same is likely to be taken up for consideration soon. Stop. In view of the above, let the contempt application appear in the list on 29th of August.
Grateful, Lordship.
76 of the main list. My lord, 76, my lord, I appeared for the my lord applicant one. This is the my lord that contempt application with regard to that Ekbalpur G+5 building demolition. But on 19th of August, my lord took my lord cognizance of the fact that my lord, in the month of March, my lord, the municipal commissioner affirmed an affidavit with an undertaking that within 1 month, the entire structure will be demolished. 19 June, my lord, passed an order calling for a report from.
What is the position now?
My lord, this same thing, my lord. My lord, I have, again, my lord, I have the recent, my lord, photographs, my lord, with exactly same name. With date, my lord, I have India.
And above.
We agreed to pay them, but
Is the principal secretary a party over here?
No, my lord. Principal secretary has not been implemented as a party.
that was, I think, directed to make a impede a party also, because he was.
Please come. Certain bills of the petitioner are outstanding from the end of the Howrah Municipal Corporation.
And on the next occasion, Maharaj, I am just praying before the court. I will bring the controller of finance also before this court.
Controller of finance of your department?
Yes, ma'am.
Howrah Municipal Corporation. Acha. Ki bolam?
And certain bills of the petitioner are outstanding from the end of the municipal corporation.
Stop. The commissioner of the corporation has forwarded communication to the principal secretary. UDMA department.
79 to the.
With a request to comply the direction passed by this court. Stop. The approval from UDMA department is pending. Stop. Paragraph. Let a notice be served upon the principal secretary, UD and MA department, intimating that the matter will appear in the list on 29th of August 2024. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the corporation is directed to forward all documents in support of the claim that has been raised by the petitioner to the principal secretary. Stop. Paragraph. A report shall be filed by the principal secretary on the adjourned date.
Great. But in place of 29th August, can it be on September 1st week?
Yes, 5th of September it can
5th
be
of-
done.
5th of September.
Make it on 5th of September.
5th of September করে দিন আমরা comply করতে হবে।
78, what I am for the petitioner. What is happened, this is a very unfortunate matter. Kindly allow me.
No.
This is my contempt.
No,
Please allow me.
No, I am the contemptor.
I have forward.
I have filed a contempt application. Lordship has given direction to file any exception. Why he have not taken any exception?
The pressure was created upon the petitioner. Nowadays, what is going on now? The pressure will be created so that petitioner could not be filing any contempt application. Now tomorrow, my lord, I will be removed from the brief. But my lord is here. My lord, your lordship's order.
This kind of allegation should not be entertained by your lordship.
Kindly see the unauthorized construction over the water body. My lord, they have annexed They have, my lord, not annexed any document with regard to photograph.
Kindly see the
Now, kindly see the order book.
You show me your photograph.
No, my lord, I could not be able to, my lord, able to collect any photographs. My lord, your lordship kindly direct the subdivisional officer to file a report to the extent whether my lord's order carry out or not. My lord, your lordship kindly see.
Who is the contemptor?
The chairman is the contemptor
Chairman
of the Joynagar Municipal Municipality.
I have filed the compliance report.
No, nothing was complied.
My compliance report.
I have heard it.
May I draw your lordship's indulgence? Your lordship was pleased to pass an order for giving a notice to the principal secretary. Let there be a direction to him. The principal secretary was the party.
Was a party in the writ? Check up.
State was the party.
Once, page 17.
One minute.
Page 17 once.
What does the affidavit of compliance say?
They say that, my lord, everything was removed.
All right.
My lord, everything was removed. My lord, kindly,
All right.
now kindly come to page 17 once, my lord, on my contempt application. First, come to page 7. My lord, the order, by your lordship of 6th of the Baripur is personally present in the court today with the report. The report clearly mentioned that there is an unauthorized construction, single-storey godown, sub-building, as well as the encroachment over the municipal canal made by the respondent number 12, Akhtar Laskar. In addition to above, there is another construction of the Gumti shop, as well as the encroachment made by the Sajan Sardar. Sketch map is the unauthorized construction annexed here to with the report. A copy of the report is handed over to the London advocate. My lord, this is the order of 6th of September 2022. Now, my lord, kindly come to my lord. The 14th of September, this order, my lord.
Wait, I have followed your submission.
My lord's order, my lord.
Please come. The matter relates to unauthorized construction over a water body. Stop. The
Joynagar Municipal Municipality.
Joynagar Mojilpur Municipality has filed an affidavit of compliance mentioning that all unauthorized construction has been removed.
Page 18.
Page 18.
Yes, my lord. In presence of the all officer in charge, block development. The officer was not there.
But my lord, because this kind of submission should not be accepted, my lord. Kindly see development officer, chairman municipality, and the executive officer, even the petitioner have not accepted and put sign.
I know, my lord, how to put the signature of the petitioner.
And my lord, lordship was directed to give an exception. Despite that, my lord, he has not.
Kindly see that, my lord, this is the my lord report.
That all unauthorized construction has been removed.
Page 18, my lord, can you see after discussion of the
obtain the signature of the petitioner.
This kind of practice should not be here. My lord, discuss of this above. You have fair practice.
Stop. The proceedings signed by the parties on 25th of June 2024 is annexed with the affidavit of compliance. Stop. The signature of the petitioner, comma, the block development officer, comma, Joynagar 1 development block, comma, the inspector in charge, Joynagar police station.
Then, well, the chairman joined.
What they did, my lord?
Executive officer of Joynagar Mojilpur municipality and the sub assistant and the sub assistant engineer of the municipality.
The executive officer
is executive officer.
Yes, my lord. Last executive officer, Joynagar municipality.
কি বললাম একটা executive officer বললাম না?
The inspector in charge, Joynagar municipality, executive officer of Joynagar municipality,
and the sub assistant in,
of
the municipality.
Yes.
কি বললাম শুরুটা কি দিয়ে বললাম? This signature না তারপর একটা
signature.
Yes. Are appended to the said proceedings. Stop paragraph. Despite the signature of the petitioner in the proceeding, comma, the learned advocate for the petitioner insists that the unauthorized construction is yet to be removed. Paragraph. The petitioner is directed to produce the photograph of the unauthorized construction so that necessary direction may be passed upon the concerned authority to inquire the same. When can you bring the photograph?
The petitioner is not yet been able to, my lord, to go to this place, my lord, but my lord, I can, my lord,
collect
somehow-
photograph from somebody else.
But
Right.
subdivision officer, I will only see the report, my lord, is filed by the earlier officer.
The earlier officer we will see.
Subdivision officer was requested by the municipality to take steps. Now, my lord, they are not waiting for the subdivision officer.
Very well.
Now, my lord, they are in the meantime, my lord, they have been
All
able to
right.
make arrangement.
Next week,
My lord, kindly make it for 15 days at the
22nd.
My lord, I am drawing your lordship's indulgence. My lord.
Yes.
My lord, principal secretary has not been made a party. Only the difficulty is this, first of all, in the way of the proper approval. In that event, your lordship can implement them as a party.
In the contempt application, I will prefer not to add him, but at the same time, we'll try to see that the order is complied with. You serve a notice. Thereafter, if required, we can make him parties, or we can see whoever is there in the party in the writ will try to get it done. You serve notice, and Mr. Banerjee will certainly forward all documents. And a report is to be filed. Let us see how they act. All right.
This is the compliance report here.
79.
Your Lordship, I bring on behalf of the petitioner. Your Lordship, as per the last order, Your Lordship, 28 June 2024, pass in the contempt application, Your Lordship. The second paragraph, learned advocate representing the alleged
Have you seen the affidavit of compliance?
Your Lordship, I didn't see an affidavit of compliance.
You did not.
They passed in a final order and adjudicated that more than 4,500 square feet are unauthorized construction.
Right. So they will take
we have
steps.
made an inspection, we have given a hearing, we have passed the final order. Now
Please come.
let that content be disposed of.
Affidavit of compliance has been filed, wherefrom it appears that unauthorized construction has been detected and the assistant engineer in charge from a building department, Howrah Municipal Corporation, has passed order on 25th of July 2024 upon the person responsible to cause self-demolition of the unauthorized / illegal construction. Stop. Next.
Your Lordship,
As it appears that
Your Lordship, kindly fix it after 10th August, Your Lordship, this matter that the demolition has been completed as per the order or
after
that we will do.
as it appears that the order passed by the court has been complied with accordingly, there is no requirement of proceeding with the contempt application any further. The same stands disposed of.
Your Lordship, may I submit? If they didn't take any steps for demolition, then I have to again to file an edit.
Is there any shortcut?
No, Your Lordship.
If there is, please let me know.
No, Your Lordship.
Then I can keep matters pending.
No, Lordship. The orders impugn.
All 80.
Orders. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, one thing, my lord, I must inform your lordship that my lord now can go to the Belur that has already been completed.
Very well. I'll see.
Much obliged.
Yes, 80.
Lord, I have served as per the previous order of the lordship.
Show me your service. Who is the contemptor?
Well, its container is chairman, Howrah Municipal.
Did anybody appear in the writ?
My lord, Susnik the Bhattacharya,
In the writ?
Howrah Municipality. Room number 11, son of South Bhattacharya. Susnik the Bhattacharya.
I see Howrah Municipality.
Howrah Municipality, 80. Howrah Municipality, Naran Saha. Sorry.
Howrah, who appears? Mr.
Bhattacharya.
Show me the service.
Sir, every service not ready. Hand service.
কাকে দিয়েছে?
Chairman, Howrah Municipality. Madam, alleged container.
File your affidavit of service.
Within the course of day, man.
in the course of the day? Please come. None appears. None appears on behalf of the contemptor. Let contempt rule be issued. Returnable on 5th of September. The এটাও affidavit করে দেবে। আচ্ছা। In the course of the day, showing service of the notice of the contempt application upon the contemptor. ঠিক আছে?
My lord, may I mention item 207? It's
What
a
has
contempt, my lord. It's appearing for the first time, my lord. Paying
Which
for
item?
207, my lord.
Very well, 207. Serve notice.
Grateful, my lord.
207.
My lord,
It is returnable on the 5th of September.
Grateful, my lord.
my lord, may I permit to mention, my lord, 194, 195, 196, 197, and 200. All are same order, my lord, and order date also.
Started.
Because we are last
One minute, everything will go haywire.
Yeah, what is that? My lord,
Please wait. Let the file be brought.
96,
একটা কপি দিন না
97.
মিলার 82 83 and 84 মিলার
82, 83, 84. Serve notice.
this is
5th of September. He
85
বলছে। Yes.
মিলার order has not been complied with মিলার my learned friend
No, I'll take it up in usual course. It cannot be done out of turn. Only first day's order where notice can be served, and otherwise no.
বলেছে
It's not the first time. Nothing, sorry.
I'm good.